under-rimmed pile. So this is the typical diagram of single under-rim pile, and this is multiple under-rim pile. So this portion is called a stem, and this portion is called bulb or rim. If there are a single rim is provided, then it is a single under-rim pile, and if there are more than one, then it is a multiple under-rim. So whatever the particular dimensions required for this bulb or the stem diameter of bulb will be mentioned here. Now we see one by one. These are the board cast into concrete piles having one or more number of bulbs formed by enlarging the pile stem. So we are going to enlarge this diameter like in this fashion so that it can form a single or multi-rimmed pile. These piles are best suited in soils where the considerable ground movement occur due to the seasonal variation, filled up grounds or soft soil strata. So you can see here seasonal variation, filled up grounds, that means very loose soil or soft soil. But whenever we find this type of soil, then we will prefer this type of pile here. The provision of under rim bulbs has advantage of increasing the bearing and uplift capacities. So due to this, there will be more increment in the frictional characteristics. So it will be helpful for bearing as well as the uplift condition, that is a tension condition. It also develops a better anchorages for the greater depth. These piles are efficiently used in machine foundation, port bridges, electrical tower, transmission towers, and water tanks, etc. IS 2911 Part 3 1980 covers the design and construction of the under rim piles. So this is the IS code you are going to use for the construction as well as the design. According to code, the diameter of bulb may vary from the 2 to 3 times the stem diameter depending upon the feasibility of construction and design requirements. So stem diameter and this is the bulb diameter. So bulb diameter is 2 to 3 times the stem diameter. Code suggests the spacing of 1.25 to 1.5 times the bulb diameter for the bulbs. The spacing of the bulbs here. This spacing, so this point to this point, so it is 1.25 to 1.5 times the bulb diameter. An angle 45 degree with the horizontal is recommended for under rim bulbs. So this angle, it should be a 45 degrees. So this is the recommendation. Review of different studies over under rim piles states that the ultimate bearing capacity of pile increases considerably on a provision of the bulb here. So if you increase the number of bulbs with specified conditions, then you will find the increasing capacity, bearing capacity of the pile is high. The choice of under rim piles in unstable or water bearing ground is generally avoided. There is a danger of collapse of under rim piles either when personal or down the pole or during the concreting.